Welcome to the CryPTOSSOURCE channel. 7 lessons from the collapse of FTX. First lesson. Do not blindly believe in the asset. Reevaluate your portfolio monthly. Ask yourself 2 questions. Why am I holding this asset? If I didn't have a token, would I buy it at the current market price? If the answer to the second question is no, then it is worth considering why you are still holding this asset. Lesson 2. Large does not mean invulnerable. We survived the collapse of LUNA and UST when it was the top 3 ecosystem. One of the top 3 Arrow's capital funds burst, which had $10 billion of assets at its peak. Now the collapse of FTX is the top 2 exchange after Binance. If you hold any crypto, you are already at risk. Consider this. Lesson 3. Avoid unnecessary risks. When FUD starts around an exchange, token or stablecoin, it will be cheaper to withdraw a significant part of the assets. If everything ends well, you will start assets again. And in the event of a crash, you will be safe. Analyze why you keep funds on the exchange. For trading or just storing? All that you store, withdraw to wallets for reliability. Lesson 4. Not your keys, not your money. It has already become a cliché, but, as experience has shown, not everyone was aware of it. Keeping money even on a super reliable exchange, you delegate funds to the exchange in exchange for convenience, but not security. Lesson 5. Analyze the consequences. As soon as a black swan emerges from the reeds, try to understand which sectors, tokens, projects will suffer. During the collapse of LUNA, the entire ecosystem and BTC suffered, since Terra had reserves there. When 3 Arrows capital burst, the assets where the fund invested, for example, Avalanche, began to fall. The FTX scam brought down Solana and its ecosystem. Big events always have consequences to play on. Lesson 6. Act fast. When this happens, it's time for earning opportunities with a very high risk-reward ratio. Conditional short FTT, SOL with a risk of $100 brought $1,000 profit. It's profitable. Even if in such cases you win only 3 out of 10 trades, you are still up 2.3x. Trend is your friend. Lesson 7. Look for flaws. When analyzing a project, especially in a bear market, look for its weaknesses and vulnerabilities. Crypto.com accidentally sent $400 million to another exchange. Will I want to keep stablecoins on this exchange after this incident? Probably not, even if it turns out to be FUD. All those who survived the collapse of LUNA, 3 Arrows Capital and FTX, you are already seasoned cryptans. It will be difficult further, but on the bull you will thank yourself for staying in the crypt. Don't forget to subscribe and click like. Thanks for watching and goodbye.